Hey, it's your friendly Girls Camp leader, Connie here. Welcome to the site. This is the Woodmere Girls Camp site, and I thought I'd put all of our information in one place so everybody has access to the information. I don't leave anybody out. So I wanted to give you a really quick tour of what is going on here. So first of all, I wanted to show you, excuse me, that each day, not necessarily each day, but every time we have something that we want you to know, we'll be putting the an announcement here. So you can see that we have the packing list here for each of the days. I have information about how we're challenging you, the girls, to do a 7-day social media fast during Girls Camp as challenged by President Nelson. Here's more information about Secret Sisters and how that program is going to work. So a couple things off to this side. If you lose sight of the packing list, you can always click off to this side over here and see packing list right here. Also, due Monday. What is that? Well, we have 2 action items, 2 things that we need you to do right away. These are important. So the first one is to submit a family photo, and I know that Cedar Reynolds, Sandy Laux, there have been a couple of people involved in making sure that everybody has a family photo. So we need you to upload that, send it to Colleen Waite as soon as you can. We're going to do something really special with those. But the other action item that you can see right here is to make sure that you're ready with a story, a tale, some kind of family tradition that you would like to share with the group on Tuesday. Everybody is going to share something about their family. It can be silly, spiritual, however you want to do it. So just be ready for that. I can't believe that camp starts in just 2.5 weeks. We're really excited about that. So if you have any questions, please email me or email Sister Waite. Her email is right here. So if you have any questions, you can email us, you can text us, you can call us. We're here for you. Very excited for Girls Camp to begin.